Sentence patterns. When you borrow books from the library, you need a card. Tushukan karahon o kariro toki wa kado ga hitsuyo desu. Tushukan karahon o kariro toki wa kado ga hitsuyo desu. This sentence explains a common requirement when using library services in Japan. Push this button and change will come out. Kono botan no osu to otsuri ga dete kimasu. Often used when vending machines or ticket machines. This sentence tells the user what happens when the button is pressed. Do you often watch TV? Yoko terebe o mimasu ka? Well, I watch it when there is a baseball game on. Yaku no shiai ga aru toki ni mimasu. What do you do when there is nothing in the refrigerator? Reizouko ni nani mo nai toki wa nani o shimasu ka? Reizouko ni nani mo nai toki wa nani o shimasu ka? I go out and eat something at a nearby restaurant. Chikaku no restoran de nani ka o tabemasu. Did you turn off the air conditioner when you left the meeting room? Kaigishetsu o dero toke iyakon o keishimashita ka? I am sorry, I forgot. Sumimasen. Wasurimashita. Example sentences. Where do you buy your clothes and shoes, Mr. Santos? Santos-san wa doko de fuku tokotsu o kaimasu ka? I buy them in my country when I go back on summer vacation or New Year vacation. Natsuya sumiya shugatsu ni kone ni kairu toki ni kone de kaimasu. Because the things in Japan are small for me. Nihon no mono wa boku ni wa chisai kara desu. What is that? Sore wa nan desu ka? It's genkicha. I take this when I'm not in good shape. Genkicha desu. Karada no choushi ga waroi toki ni kore o namimasu. Won't you come to my house when you are free? Hima na toki ni uchi ni kamisin ka? Thank you, I would love to. Arigato, zehe kitai desu. Did you work part-time when you were a student? Gakusei no toki ni arubaito o shimashita ka? Yes, I sometimes did. Hai, tokidoki shimashita. The volume is low, isn't it? Onryo ga hikoi desu ne. Turn this knob to the right and the volume will go up. Kono nobu o migi ni mawasu to onryo ga agarimasu. Excuse me, where is the city hall? Sumimasen, Shiyakushu wa doko desu ka? Go straight down this road and you will find it on your left. Kono michi o masugu itte hidari ni arimasu. Conversation. How can I get there? Hello, this is Midori Library. Mushi mushi, kore wa Midori Toshukan desu. Could you tell me how to get there? Ano, どうやってそこに行けばいいですか? Take a number 12 bus from Honda Station and get off at Tushukan Mae. It's the third stop. Honda 駅から12番のバスに乗って図書館前で降りてください。それは3番目のバスを停留所です。The third stop, right? 3番目ですね。Yes, when you get off the bus, you will see a park in front of you. はい、バスを降りると前に公園が見えます。 I see. Is anything required when I borrow books? Wakarimashita. Hono kari no toki ni nani ka hitsuyu na mono wa arimasu ka? Are you a foreigner? Geikokujin desu ka? Yes, I am. Hai, so desu. Then please bring your registration card. それでは、外国人登録証を持ってきてください。Yes, I will. Thank you very much. はい、わかりました。どうもありがとうございます。Reference words and information. Hodo, sidewalk pavement, a path for pedestrians alongside a road. Shadow, road, part of a road used by vehicles. Kosokodoro, expressway motorway, a high-speed road for long-distance traffic with controlled access. Tore, street, a public road in a city or town. Kosaten, crossing, a place where two or more roads intersect. Odan, hodo, pedestrian crossing, a marked part of a road where pedestrians having the right to cross. Hodokyo, pedestrian bridge, a bridge designed for pedestrians to cross over a road or railway. Kado, corner, the point where two streets meet. Shingo, traffic light, a signaling device positioned at road intersections, pedestrian crossing, etc. Saka, slope, an inclined surface or stretch of ground. Fumikiri, railroad crossing, a place where a railway and a road cross at the same level. Gasorin Satando, gas station, a service station for refueling vehicles. Road signs. Tomari, stop, a sign instructing drivers to stop their vehicle. Shiyu Kinshi, no entry, a sign indicating that entry is prohibited. Ippu Chuku, one way, a sign indicating that traffic is only allowed in one direction. Chusha Kenshi, no parking, a sign indicating that parking is not allowed. Osetsu Kenshi, no turning right, a sign indicating that right turns are prohibited. Sidewalk pavement, road, expressway, motorway, street, crossing, pedestrian bridge, corner, traffic light, slope, railroad crossing, gas station. Stop, no entry, one way, no parking, no turning right. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe at Japanese Learning Hub for more tips and lessons. See you next time. Mata ne!